Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study characteristics of unicellular eukaryotes. The first characteristic is that they're unicellular. That means that they are made up of only one cell, unlike us, who have a lot of cells. Another is that they're mostly microscopic. Like the image we have here, the size is 180 picometers. It's really small, so we need to use microscopes to clearly see them. In this group, all symmetries are represented. The shapes are also variable or sometimes constant. We have ovals, spheres, and other shapes that we will see in further examples. These organisms do not have organs or tissues, but specialized organelles. For example, the contractile vacuoles for storing water. Also, we have food vacuoles for storing food. They have a gullet, which is the stomach, an oral groove, which is pretty much a mouth, and cilia, which is our characteristic number 6. These organisms can live freely, but they can also live in mutualism, which is a relationship where both organisms benefit. They can also live in commensalism. Commensalism means that one of the organisms gets benefit and the other one doesn't get benefit but is not harmed either. In parasitism, one of the organisms is harmed while the other one gets benefit. So in this group, these 4 forms of coexisting can happen. For locomotion, they use pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, for example, in the amoeba in our illustration, we can see that this amoeba has extensions. These extensions are called pseudopods. Pseudopods means false feet. They use these false feet or pseudopods to propel themselves and move. They also use flagella. Another group uses flagella, like the euglena. The flagella is a whip-like extension, which also propels them and helps them move. And here we have the cilia. Cilia are hair-like extensions surrounding the organism and also helping it move. Other organisms, they use direct cell movements, while others are sessile, which means that they do not move. Some of these organisms are provided with a simple endoskeleton or exoskeleton, but most of them are naked. In this group, we have nutrition of all types. Autotrophic organisms, which means they produce their own food. We also have heterotrophic organisms, which means they feed on other organisms. And saprozoic organisms, which means that they feed from nutrients that are already available in the environment surrounding them. These organisms can live aquatic or in terrestrial habitats. Some of them live free, while others can live in symbiotic modes of life, which are the ones I already explained in previous characteristics. As for reproduction, they can reproduce asexually by fission, budding, or cysts, and sexually they reproduce by conjugation or syngamy. This is the union of male and female gametes to form a zygote. In our illustrations, we have a sample of binary fission, and then we also have another one of multiple fission and another one of plasmogamy. And in our last one, we have conjugation, where we can clearly see a process of meiosis going on. Thank you so much for watching.